For decades, Europe was home to compact and subcompact minivans that defined practicality, space efficiency, and smart everyday usability. But as SUVs rose to dominance, minivans rapidly faded into the background, becoming nearly extinct on European roads. Citroën, however, is refusing to let the story end there. With the unveiling of the Citroen ELO concept, the French automaker signals a surprising yet refreshing return to boxy, purpose-built family vehicles designed around real-life function rather than fashionable trends. The ELO is described by Citroën as a laboratory of ideas, a design study blending a distinctly van-like silhouette with a highly modular cabin built for flexibility. It is not a direct preview of a production model, but it offers a clear glimpse into where Citroën's design language and practical philosophy may be headed next. The name ELO itself is formed from the words rest, play, and work, three roles that define the futuristic minivan's mission. Despite measuring just 4.10 meters long, roughly the size of the former C3 Picasso or previous C3 Aircross, the ELO looks nothing like those past models. Its single-box proportions are a total break from Citroën's recent styling. The front end features squared LED lights and a huge illuminated Citroën badge, paired with a robust front bumper mirrored at the rear. A uniquely curved windshield flows into a small glass roof, while the profile is dominated by an enormous greenhouse and sliding doors that open an impressive 1.92-meter wide entryway. On 21-inch futuristic wheels with flat aero-style covers, the ELO leans full force into its concept car identity. Out back, asymmetrical glass and split LED taillights echo the design of the headlights. But the interior is where the concept truly becomes radical. Citroën envisions the cabin as a modular living space capable of seating 4 or 6 people. The driver sits in the center up front, flanked by 2 removable passenger seats positioned slightly behind. A 3-person bench fills the rear row. Thanks to this unusual layout, the front seat can swivel to create a living room or meeting space, while the back can convert into a sleeping area with inflatable mattresses made from durable drop-stitch material. Tech inside the ELO is equally experimental. Instead of a traditional dashboard, an open shelf occupies the area ahead of the driver, complemented by a slim display beneath the windshield. The steering wheel extends from the front wall and incorporates joystick-style controls, ditching the need for a large central screen. Clever storage pockets line the interior, emphasizing practicality over minimalism. Citroën confirms the ELO rides on a fully electric platform optimized for urban use, although it has not shared battery or motor specs. The automaker calls the concept's natural habitat the city, where its compact footprint and boxy shape would shine. The ELO will make its public debut at the Brussels Motor Show in January 2026. Even though the concept itself will not enter production, reports suggest it could influence a future subcompact Citroën model launching in 2028, positioned between the C3 hatchback and the C3 Aircross SUV. Citroën's design director, Pierre Leclerc, describes the ELO as a burst of energy built around efficiency and a touch of whimsy. CEO Xavier Chardin calls it a powerful message of what Citroën aims to be in the coming years. In a world dominated by SUVs, the Citroën ELO stands as a bold reminder that practicality still matters and that the minivan might not be finished after all.